What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to collect some free stocks from Webull. They give you free stocks when you sign up, and then if somebody's nice enough to use your referral link, they give you more free stocks. So I got 3 of them. Somebody used my referral link. We'll see what they are. Here it says congratulations. 3 is how many congratulations I get. You get a chance to draw a free stock. So let's see what we get. VIAC 1102. So $11.02 for free. Never heard of the company. Don't know much about it. Can't argue with free though. So let's keep going. Number 2. VIAC again. 1102.61 for free. Sucks they're the same, but free is free. And the last one is hopefully something different. No. VIAC 1105. So I got 3 in a row on and up. 1102, 1102.6, and 1105. So at least it might be good. All 3 in a row were slightly higher. $33 for free. Approximately 5 trading days. You can find details in my account, my free stocks with the Webull app. So I can't sell them immediately for $33. They might be worth more, might be worth less. We'll see in 5 days. I'm rich, bitch! While we're on Webull, we're going to take some other money I didn't know I had in there and buy some more stocks. So cash balance $763. All I've done with this Webull, the free stocks, is buy the highest dividend yielding stock that I'm comfortable with. PSEC. Pays 10% a year and it's monthly. Pays every month. Dividends receivable. This is the other one that I trust most, SPHD. It's all based on the United States highest, lowest volatility dividend. So it's going to pay me $7.86. So I have some of it, $7.63. So let's go trade. Let's get 1. Buy, limit, quantity. Place order. Buy 1. Buy. Submitted successfully. So now, if we go to my account, I have 38 shares instead of 37 shares with an average price of $4.79. Buying power 283. And then once I get the 786, I'll buy another share. And that's how compound interest works. I took the money that made me more money and just bought something that makes me more money without ever depositing any of my money. And it'll just stay here until I need it for a rainy day. They said I won't be nothing. Now they always say congratulations. They ain't never had the dedication. People hate and say we changing, look, we